Good Monday morning, everybody. Jacob Wright with weather from Woodlawn here, bringing you all your AM forecast update on Monday, January 17th, 2022. Let's take a look at our forecast, but first, a message from our sponsor. Aerial Crop Care Solutions, LLC is hiring seasonal help for the months of May through August. They are currently looking to hire ground crew operators for their aerial application company who are quick to learn, have a passion for helping others, and who have experience driving trucks and trailers. A CDL is not required, and they're offering great incentive pay with bonuses for those who use their own trucks. You must be willing to be away from home for several weeks at a time. Call 276-733-2678 for more information. Let's take a look at our weather headlines. We are windy with mountain snow today. We have a refreeze possible tonight with anything that melts throughout the day today. And midweek snow is possible just as we're beginning to wrap up our current event. So we're going to be going ahead and looking ahead to the next one. Here's a look at the current wind advisories and high wind warnings in effect. Wind advisories for the tan areas here, and then right along the Blue Ridge, those high peaked mountains, we're looking at a high wind warning there for those areas where winds could gust up to 60 miles per hour. We have active winter weather advisories in effect for these four counties in the purple and a winter storm warning in effect for Johnson County, where heavy snow could begin to reaccumulate throughout the day today there in the mountains. A look at the radar shows that we got a big band of snow here. We got some snow out across the south side mixing in with some rain across part of the region. That's going to continue throughout the day. Current temperatures here as of 11:13 a.m. are in the 20s and 30s across the region, already getting into the above freezing realm in the North Carolina Piedmont and across part of the south side. The rest of us are going to stay in the 20s and low 30s. Those winds are really howling out there. Some of these oranges and reds indicating wind gusts upwards of 40 to 50 miles an hour. Again, that's possible, especially in that high wind warning area. You could see wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour. That's bringing those feels-like temperatures down into the single digits and teens here in the mountains and 20s across the south side and North Carolina Piedmont. A look at high temperatures today puts us in the 20s across the New River Valley into the Roanoke Valley at 34. We've got the middle to upper 30s across the North Carolina Piedmont and into the south side. 30 for Bristol, Mountain City, Tennessee at 26. Here's a look at wind gusts for today and tonight. That pink zone here, we're looking at 45 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Out across the Piedmont and to the south side, we're looking at wind gusting up to 25 to 40. And then in the lowest elevations down and around Winston-Salem, 15 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts are possible. Low temperatures tonight fall into the teens and 20s across the board. It's another cold one. Refreeze is possible, especially across the south side. Anything that melts today will refreeze again tonight, making for hazardous conditions for your Tuesday morning commute. Highs on Tuesday ramp back up to the upper 30s and low 40s, so we're going to be beginning to thaw out pretty good on Tuesday. We'll thaw out again on Wednesday, but then Wednesday night into Thursday, we're going to be watching the chance for more wintry weather. Down to 25 degrees Wednesday night, high temperature on Thursday at 30 degrees. So we could be looking at another round of some snow. Right now it looks to stay confined into the mountains, but we could see an all region wide event unfold depending on how the track and the cold air and the cold front all interact together. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Today we got mountain snow showers, a high of 27 degrees. Tomorrow we're sunny. Temperature at 38 degrees. Wednesday, 45 degrees, falling into the 20s. For Thursday, a high temperature in the 30s, so we could be looking at wintry weather. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, all looking good. I've seen the posts on Facebook saying that we're looking at a big winter weather event this weekend, but I just don't see it. I think what we could see is a little bit of wintry weather Wednesday night into Thursday, and we might have something in days 8 through 14 that we could see some wintry weather there. But it's just way too far out to call. If we're posting about it, you can count it as a potential weather event. If somebody else is posting about it, I would be just a little bit on the suspicious side of things, especially more than 7 days out. We'll keep you up to date with your local trusted weather, and special thanks to Aerial Crop Care Solutions for sponsoring us.